And in our top business story, shopping mall operator Majid Al Futtaim has reported an 11% increase in group revenue for the first 6 months of 2016, from 13.7 billion dirhams in the first half of last year to 15.2 billion as of June the 30th. Earnings rose by 7%, reaching 1.9 billion dirhams from 1.8 billion in the first half of 2015. The Dubai-based group also reported total assets valued at 52 billion dirhams and net debt of around 10 billion in its preliminary unaudited results for the first half of the year. Last month, Majid Al Futtaim raised $300 million through a tap issue on its existing 2024 bonds, extending the average life of the company's debt portfolio. The group was assigned a BBB credit rating by Standard & Poor's and Fitch this year. In the group's company breakdown for H2 2016, Majid Al Futtaim Properties reported an 11% revenue rise to 2.2 billion dirhams from the previous year and a 12% increase in earnings to 1.4 billion. Occupancy across all its shopping malls in the Middle East, Africa and Central Asia remains strong at 98%. While comparable hotels recorded occupancy rates of 77% and an 11% decline in revenue per available room in the first half of 2015. Majid Al Futtaim Retail reported that its overall revenues rose by 9% year-on-year to 12.3 billion dirhams. Emirates Islamic, one of the leading Islamic financial institutions in the UAE, has announced that global ratings agency Fitch has affirmed the bank's A+ rating. For the second consecutive year, Fitch has assigned Emirates Islamic a long-term issuer default rating of A+ with a stable outlook, short-term issuer default rating of F1 and a viability rating of BB-. The rating agency has also affirmed the bank's support rating of 1. Commenting on the rating, Jamal bin Galatia, the chief executive officer of Emirates Islamic, stated that the affirmation of our ratings underlines Emirates Islamic's position as a strategic component in the growth of the Islamic financial services industry in the country. The CEO added that despite current market conditions, the bank has demonstrated sustained growth across segments and their financial results in the first half of 2016, pointing to recent successful issuance of its record-breaking Sukuk. In May this year, Emirates Islamic closed the issuance of a $750 million 5-year Sukuk from its $2.5 billion certificate issuance program. The Sukuk, which is listed on the Nasdaq Dubai and the Irish Stock Exchange, received overwhelming investor interest from across the globe and was oversubscribed by nearly 3 times. With the aim of rewarding and supporting the startup community in the UAE, the Sharjah Chamber of Commerce and Industry has announced the launch of a new Sharjah Top 10 Business Award, recognizing outstanding business achievements of various young companies in the UAE. As a part of their Sharjah Scene Awards program, organizers revealed that the award will be an invite-only business excellence award, with the aim of helping private sector organizations in Sharjah and to also drive performance to enable business growth. Stating that their aim is to tap the potential of young business leaders in the UAE, officials stressed that these awards will serve as a unique platform to not only recognize the business achievements of young leaders, but also inspire others in the community to showcase their business acumen. It was mentioned that the Sharjah Top 10 Businesses Award draws its model based on the excellence model of the European Foundation for Quality Management, a comprehensive management framework used by more than 30,000 organizations across the world. The new initiative, according to organisers, will have 5 awards under different categories, including the Award for Medium or Large Enterprise, the Sharjah UA Startups Award, the Entrepreneur Award, the Green Award and the Sharjah Social Responsibility Award. To enter, the companies are requested to contact the Sharjah Scene Award team, and the closing date for entries is September this year.
First of all, this award has been there for so many years. We just renovated the award, modernized it, so it can fit today's culture, mentality, and mindset, and all the differences that we're going through. The award has a very prestigious place in Sharjah, and it has been going on for so many years. A lot of participations happened back then, but now with the changes, a lot of people want to see what's new, what do we have to offer them in return, and we've done a lot of marketing research to upgrade the award in a sense that it will benefit people the way they want to be benefited, not the way we want to benefit them, because everyone has needs. So, and this is what we've done to the award. We've modernized it, and it's before it used to be one award only. Right now it's 5 awards, and each has a different purpose, and we're very excited to see what's going to happen next. Basically, the participation is different based on the category, and up to this moment we are actually almost full. But because based on our KPIs and how the targets we wanted to reach is 200 participants, and we've almost reached that. So we're thinking of reopening more spaces so people can have more chances to apply to the award.
Statistics published by Dubai real estate portal propertytrader.ae have revealed a significant rise in overseas inquiries from Russian site visitors for the first half of 2016. According to the portal, the renewed interest in the Emirates as an investment hotspot comes after interest fell after the record fall of the ruble earlier this year amid the oil price. Russia has always been a key market for Dubai, especially for property purchases in communities such as Emirates Hills and the Palm Jumeirah. According to Property Trader, in January this year, hits from Russia made up just 6% of their overall traffic. Yet in July, it was up by nearly 3 times at 17%, a significant upward trend. Russia has traditionally been attracted to Dubai for its vast array of luxury property when compared to many other cities, while low taxes and year-round warm weather are also other factors that lure investors here. They are also drawn to the city's health and transport infrastructure, good education, and its safe haven status in the region. In 2015, the Dubai Land Department ranked Russian investors as the 6th largest group of foreign buyers in Dubai's realty sector.